finally here. In 2024, this was the most anticipated airdrop, and in 2025, it hits again, airdropping hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of JUP to everyone who took part. We are going to give you the best strategy to lock in the biggest airdrop possible for 2026 and show you how to take advantage of all the opportunities within the Jupiter ecosystem. If you stay to the end, we will show you step by step how to check your allocation, claim your airdrop, and stake your JUP to maximize your earnings for next year. Jupiter is more than just a valuable altcoin to keep on your list to accumulate. Jupiter is a company that is building a suite of products, tools, and services to further Solana and crypto adoption. Here's a quick overview of the things they have built and plan to build. Jupiter Exchange. This is the OG DEX or decentralized exchange to swap any Solana-based cryptocurrency within Solana. Over time, they have added tools that don't limit Jupiter just to Solana, like their tool Onboard that allows you to swap cryptocurrencies from chains like Ethereum. Under their Spot tab, you have the opportunity to market swap almost any Solana-based cryptocurrency. You can sell limit orders on your favorite tokens to lock in your buys or sells at the best price. You can DCA or dollar cost average into coins over any amount of time you like, and value average, which uses an algorithmic strategy to dollar cost average in the best price over a set period of time into your favorite cryptocurrency. Jupiter also provides a decentralized way to participate in perpetual futures trading under their Perps tab. You can only trade 3 assets under this tab, and it's Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Now, this is where I started my entire day trading journey, and something to be aware of, they do have pretty high fees when it comes to their perpetual trading platform. If you're looking for a good exchange to do perpetual futures trading that has lower cost fees, I'd recommend go checking out the link either below this video or in our bio, and you can go sign up for Blowfin. That's my preferred exchange to do perpetual futures trading. Jupiter has also created a leading platform to trade Solana meme coins called Ape. To keep it simple, Ape is a platform where you can find early entries on meme coins, see which meme coins are about to graduate to Radium, what is the trending meta within meme coins, and monitor other profitable traders. I have a link to sign up to use Ape either below this video or in my bio for you to use and get a discount on all trading fees. The last tool I'm going to cover is the Jupiter mobile app. It is very important that if you plan to claim your JUP allocation, you do it from the Jupiter mobile app, no exceptions. Do not claim from the Phantom wallet or another type of wallet like Solflare. If you do, you will be missing out on extra JUP with your claim. Now, why is the mobile app something worth mentioning? It has 0 platform fees, so if you plan to swap currencies, there isn't a fee tied to your swap. Also, you can use Google Pay and Apple Pay directly from their mobile app. The barrier to entry is getting smaller and smaller every single day. Go download it now in the App Store. Let's break down how you can secure the largest airdrop portion in preparation of the Jupuary coming in 2026. There are 3 ways you can grow your allocation for the next year's airdrop. You can swap with users, you can become an expert trader, and be an active staker. We can use 2024's metrics to plan for 2025's, and we will cover swap users first. There are a total of 5 different tiers of swap users based on your swap volume over the last year. You need a minimum of $800 to about $1,000 in volume to be eligible for the lowest tier. How do you qualify and rack up the volume? Just use their spot swap tool to grow this portion of your allocation. The other tools like limit orders and DCA come into effect in the expert trader category. Let's cover how to grow your expert trader allocation, which is arguably the most valuable out of the 3 categories. To become an expert trader and grow your allocation, you need to use these tools: limit orders, DCA, VA, Perps, and bridging tools. Within the expert trader category, you have 7 different tiers. Now, we are not quite sure the exact volume required to hit each tier, but your best bet is to do it as much as possible. The easiest way to rack up volume would be to use Perps, because you can add leverage to your trades, but be very careful because you could end up losing more than you could earn. If you earned a JUP airdrop, then you would just use that JUP you just received. But if you don't have JUP, you need to buy some. There is no minimum requirement, so whatever you're able to risk. Once you have obtained your JUP, you would visit the website vote.jup.ag. This is the JUP DAO website where you are able to stake your JUP for ASR rewards. ASR is an acronym that stands for Active Staking Rewards. You connect your Solana-based wallet that holds your JUP and lock your JUP up to be a staked member of the DAO. Now, this is the last clarification. There is a difference between someone who just staked their JUP and an active staked member of the DAO. If you want to be an ASR member of the DAO or an active staked member of the DAO, this means you need to participate in the votes that take place, which boosts your stake rewards for the next airdrop from a 0.1 per JUP to a 0.3 per JUP that's staked. If any of this is not making sense and you need further assistance, either leave a comment below or use the link either below this video or in our bio to join our private Discord where I can personally give you assistance on anything you need help with, even outside of this video. Right now, I want to show you the complete breakdown, how to actually check your allocation for the JUP airdrop so you can see what did you earn, what tiers did you make, and how potentially you could do even better for 2026's airdrop. As you can see, I'm dressed a little different because we had to wait a couple days later to actually get the allocation checker out. And so now it's officially launched. It's January 15th, and today it actually launched. We did a live stream too, breaking it down. So you're gonna go to jupuary.jup.ag. If any other link is other than that link, you're clicking on a scam. Make sure it's jupuary.jup.ag, okay? And that's the site you're gonna go to. When you get here, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna wanna make sure if you don't already have an account, you sign up, okay? That's gonna help make sure you get the allocation and they're able to claim next week when it comes out. So we're gonna go here. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna auto sign in with my Google account, okay? And as you can see on my account, when I sign in, there's already wallets linked. Now, how do you add a wallet if you need to add an additional one? Right here, you just go to connect wallet to check allocations. Okay, you're gonna click the wallet that's compatible with your allocation that you have some allocated for. And then we're gonna go over here. Now I'm gonna find the next wallet I need to link. So now I found the next wallet. I'm gonna link it right now. And look, we just checked and now we got 357 JUP for this allocation. Now when you go to the JUP checker, you can look, what did I get? The swap allocation, what tier did I hit? Bonus swap consistency, expert, what did I get on that tier? And then also some staking bonuses and other things like that. So the nice thing is when you link your account and you actually get JUP and have an allocation, you can see your entire breakdown of what you earned and what maybe you could have done better for next year's airdrop. So after you see your allocation, scroll down to the very bottom and make sure you click link to your profile. You're gonna sign the message and now that is linked. So now I can see all 4 of my wallets that have their allocation, and then I can easily go here and view like why was this one so much better? So why did this one have over 3,000 JUP allocated? I can see my tiers that I earned, I can see my bonuses, I can see what I got in the expert tier, and so on and so forth. So then you can just go back to your profile and do it there. So yeah, that's how you simply and quickly check your allocation for what you're gonna get in the actual airdrop for JUP. We're gonna show you now how to claim your airdrop in JUPuary that happened in 2025. If you're about to try to claim your airdrop and you have not done the allocation portion of this video, make sure you go back to the allocation because you cannot claim unless you do the allocation checker. And then come to this portion, we'll show you how to claim your airdrop. Once you've done your allocation and you're on the website jupuary.jup.ag, that is where you're gonna claim. You're gonna link all your wallets, try to see which ones have an allocation. And once you linked every single wallet you've ever used, you wanna just check them all. Cause this morning before the claim went live, I checked one more wallet and I found 200 more JUP. Make sure you check every single wallet. Check your ledgers, check your wallets, check your hot wallets, your burners, all of them. Once you've logged in and got all your wallets set up, you found your allocation, you can either claim on your desktop or what I recommend doing, because what I understand and what has been rumored is that if you claim from the mobile app, you get a little boost of JUP to your claim because they're really incentivizing people to get on the mobile app. I've linked them all on my desktop to make it easy, but now all I have to do is go to the mobile app, sign in, and if you go to the wallet portion of the app where you see this on the top right-hand corner, is a globe. That's where you're gonna find the Safari where you can go and search jupuary.jup.ag and actually go claim your airdrop. So we're gonna go to the top right corner. And then once my wallet connects, you're gonna have to sign in. And then you can go and claim. Because we're doing it right when the claim goes live, there's millions of wallets trying to claim, so it's pretty boggy. We're gonna try to do a claim right now, but if it's not working, I'll just explain to you what to do. So you'll hit the claim button. And then when you go to do the claim, you can see you can claim and stake or just claim only. Personally, I want to just do the claim only because if I claim and stake immediately, it's locked for 30 days and I don't want my JUP to be locked for 30 days. I might want to sell some of it try to make some trades as the price is going up and down with the airdrop. So personally, I'm not going to stake it right away. So you go claim only, and then there should be a transaction that pops up. The transaction is not coming because there's a ton of traffic right now, but usually a transaction will pop up that says, do you want to claim this airdrop, whatever your number is. You would confirm the transaction. Then once you confirm the transaction, it'll drop in your wallet, and there you go. You get your airdrop. You would have to claim and connect each wallet that you have an allocation set for. I want to say thank you to Meow and his entire team for working so hard to give back to the community. This airdrop I know is a huge blessing for myself and many others. Make sure you use the link in our bio or below this video to check out Jupiter Exchange and many other tools we locked in for you. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your JUP allocation down below. Happy Jupuary, everyone.